Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to ensure your cookies bake perfectly and don't stick. In a large mixing bowl, combine the softened butter with both the granulated sugar and brown sugar. Cream them together until the mixture is smooth and fluffy, creating a delightful base for your cookies. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the fragrant vanilla extract for that added sweetness. In a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. This mixture will give your cookies their structure and necessary lift, so make sure there are no lumps. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter and sugar blend, mixing just until combined. Be careful not to overwork the dough, as that can result in tough cookies. Finally, fold in the chopped toasted pecans, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Scoop rounded tablespoons of dough and place them on your prepared baking sheet, making sure to space them out about 2 inches apart for even baking. Bake in your preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden while the centers may appear slightly soft. They will continue to stay set as they cool. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Here, the first bites for you.